Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the best VPNs to use with WeChat. Now, WeChat is not available in all countries, so you'll need a VPN if you're in a place where access is restricted. In some regions, internet censorship or government bans can prevent access to WeChat entirely. I've tested over a couple of dozen VPNs and narrowed it down to the best options based on reliability, performance, and ease of use. These two VPNs offer a solid balance between affordability and features, so you can pick the one that fits your needs and budget. Certain countries, India for example, along with a few others, have completely banned WeChat. If you're trying to use WeChat from any of these locations or while traveling, both NordVPN and Surfshark will allow you to bypass those restrictions and access the app without issues. They both offer secure encryption, fast servers, and apps that are easy to use across all devices. You'll find special discounted links for both NordVPN and Surfshark in the description below, so you can try them out and save some money in the process. Whether you're at home or traveling, using a VPN like NordVPN or Surfshark gives you the ability to stay connected to WeChat, even in places where it's blocked. Once connected to a server in a supported region, you'll be able to message, call, and use all of WeChat's features just like normal. Both services come with thousands of servers worldwide, so you can always find a fast and reliable connection no matter where you are. To give you a better idea of what these VPNs offer, here's a quick breakdown. NordVPN stands out for its strong security tools like double VPN and built-in threat protection, along with fast speeds and a wide range of servers. Surfshark delivers great value with unlimited device connections, a clean and intuitive interface, and useful extras like the Clean Web ad blocker. Both options are excellent for accessing WeChat securely and maintaining your privacy online. With a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can try either one completely risk-free to see which fits your needs best, and that's it. Do not forget to check the link in the description to try both of them for a discount.